Hmm.
So this phase is like a pure.
Loud, loud.
This phase is like a pure empty soul, not having any kind of imprints of any worldly thoughts.
Hmm.
The child is completely unaware of the world around him.
Hmm.
He's just concerned about himself,
Hmm.
and if he wants to have a connection, and the another connection with, and the one connection that he makes at this stage
Hmm.
very strongly is with his mother. So he is just concerned whether his mother, he understands his emotions, that whether his mother is angry
Hmm.
or happy or sad from him.
Hmm.
The child at this phase
Hmm.
is a fully radiating box of happiness.
Hmm.
Even an individual going through a bad day, if he spends some time with a toddler,
Hmm.
he out of nowhere feels happy.
Hmm.
I don't know, I can't define on literal terms like what actually a child does,
Hmm.
but
But
it's what a child does, but it's just that he or she is completely unaware or does not has any negative
does
emotions
does not have.
does not have any negative emotions that a human generally has, like jealousy, anger, ego, anything of that sort. So analyzing that age, I have come to this realization that the more we are away from such negative emotions that generally in real life human beings does have, but a child is an ideal case of that, that he is completely distant from such things, and that is why he himself is happy, and when he himself is happy, so he radiates that abundant happiness to others. Next comes the stage of a teenager, which is approximately 12 plus, and I consider it less than 20 because on law terms adult age is 18 plus, but it's on the maximum end. Let's take it to be 20. So this teenager phase comes with lots and lots of transformation, both bodily and mentally. Our body changes abruptly, undergoes into metamorphosis, and lots of hormones start releasing. We, in reality, we are not actually stepping into the real world and facing that big problem. But in our mind, we have that feeling that yes, we are, just,
We are just.
we are just, oh, that's so pity of me that the world is so cruel about me. Matlab, uh, this phase is actually when a person needs lots of attention, handling from their parents. But nowadays, parents are not able to fulfill it and protect their child in such a tender age from the world. And that is where, at this age, lots of insecurities start to arise. And that is why I feel my teenage was not that much good. And like me, and talking to to the people around me, I have came to realize that majority of people goes through same negativity at that particular age. So, but if there is a proper guidance from someone, from their elder siblings or from their parents, then this can be a very extremely beautiful age, because you don't have to take any kind of responsibility, and you are not that much small that you are even dependent upon your parents for such small things. But since that age is not properly handled, so this age comes on a slightly negative end. Next comes the adult phase, that is above 20, and which I said that I like the most, is because now you come slightly at the calmer end, having lived 5-6 years in that negativity, in that thought of pity, and in that feeling of expectations from others, that now you come at the realization that you only are going to be there with yourself towards the end, and your expectations start to decrease, and you, as I already said, you become calmer from inside. And and the major factor that for which I have chosen this particular age is your ability to contribute towards others' life. Because the age that is smaller than this, then you can just only impact yourselves. But at this particular age, you actually have the chance to impact millions of lives in an extremely positive manner, and which I feel is a great thing that God has given us lives for, to make His world more beautiful, a soul making His world more beautiful. So that of course there are abundant responsibility on your head, but you have already surpassed your 20 years of life and have earned those weapons that you are totally capable of fighting with those worldly problems. And God has even created a support system for you, that you get married to your counterpart at this age. And this is another reason that I feel the age is at the plus point, that you get another individual upon whom you can completely rely. That, of course, I'm not talking about those failed relationships, but if the relationship is compatible, then the two individuals act as a beautiful support system for the remaining lives, for the remaining problems that is there for them to tackle and discuss among themselves, and make themselves more beautiful and make the whole world a more beautiful place to live. They create a happy family, a happy child, and they prepare and they nurture another soul. And if they do it correctly, then they also impact in indirect manner the future generation. Now next comes the oldest phase, and when we get old, our grandparents kind of thing. So that it is again similar to the toddler phase, but just the difference is that now you are there with all such thoughts and all the karmas that you have done till that particular age. So you are not considered that much pure, and generally senior citizens, if they are at their home, they are accompanied with lots of problems and they are very difficult to handle. And that is why I feel that age is slightly on a negative terms.
Okay. बहुत अच्छे, well done.